This is our record breaker snake here.
She's laid 284 eggs in the last 4 years.
Yeah, but that's not counting these. That's not counting these. So, let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a lot of eggs, what we got. Hey, Jeff.
Yeah.
How about a couple photographs?
I'm working on it.
Look at that. Woo! That is a clutch of eggs. I just want to pull eggs. That's all I want to do. Oh. It does look like less than last year. The funny part is, last year she wasn't in very good body weight, and she just insists on laying eggs.
Last year she was great.
I thought this year she had more body weight.
I didn't want to give her about maybe 15 rabbits this year. Last year she got a bunch.
She got a bunch, but she went into it, started real skinny. This year she started, man, look at that. What do you think, guys?
That's a lot of eggs.
That is a bunch of eggs. Woohoo! Lots of eggs.